Hello, this is Deepika Jain from Cadnist. I have been a student here since 15 days and I have learned a lot here. And probably it's just 15 days, but learning a lot is a really good thing. The way of teaching is really good, the way of the gesture is really good. The main thing is the guidelines what they follow, that is they don't allow us to sit and operate the system without wearing the gloves and mask. The main thing is the guidelines what has been provided by the government has been followed, which is really good. And I really hope there's this hope it goes on to a number of years, which helps people to get their professionalism from here, build their profession from here, which is really great. I hope you guys also do uh, pick Cadnest for your future. I mean, it's not only one course they have many courses here. You have good options available here. So just do try getting over here, have a look. It's good, really good. So we are celebrating the first anniversary of our academy on 1st of April. It is just a start, many more to come. Thank you.